and you brought in someone who turned out to be a mole.
There's no way
Make me finish. If that mole did get vital information, we would be packing up our desks to leave the agency again.
Bubbles, this was my first major assignment. And it looked like nothing good never come out of it.
That's not what we're saying, Toniann. But when you're being corrected, listen, because there's always something new to learn.
No, I realize because the agency almost get shut down again.
Me know when you fall in a pity mode. These things happen. But it's how fast you jump back and land on your foot. You have a team where support you. But you can't just go off the handle and yap. You have to listen.
It just feel like we go down the road already.
And you gotta go down the road a couple more times. But it's a learning experience. You're growing up. You're growthy. You remember where you come from?
I started out as a shopkeeper.
No. You started out as an abused young lady who get a work in a shop.
And later on, I found out I was pregnant. I'm gonna have to do.
You ever have any regrets?
No, you know. Never want to carry a youth for a man who abuse me.
You ever said this to Kareem?
Maybe one day, but not yet.
When you look at all of the things then, which way you come from to know. Junior agent, agent in the field, computer analyst, and now a lead agent on certain assignments.
A lead agent of our first major assignment.
Stop being so hard on yourself. All the way on our first assignment is a learning experience. You think it's a pity party you there?
You see, because when they teach you as agents, we have to learn to use our gut feelings. And that I do. And that's why I decided I'm going to use majors, because in our way. We never want to use regular police outside the agency. We can't trust them.
Exactly. You make your call, and we'll work with it. And not everything did work out smooth. But now we know who Majors is. And that can open up a whole heap more doors for we take down other people.
Like you always say, everything happens for a reason, right?
Especially when you do it for the right reasons. It might not be a good decision to you or even to we, but later on down the line, it turned out to be good.
You think Mr. Mullins see it that way there?
Let me tell you something about Pops. He's an army man, and he believe in logistics and pre-planning. That is why this agency is around for so long. He is a chess player.
Him ever make any mistake? Cause it come like him perfect.
Far from it. I'm sure I'm telling the story about losing the first 5 agents.
Yeah, I remember.
And that did include my father.
You ever miss him sometimes, Bubbles?
Yeah, sometimes. But that was his decision. And from ever since that, Pop stand up in my life like a real general.
He's my father to all the way. And that's why I don't want to disappoint him. But Sometimes I just chat too much.
Sometimes. You remember when you just come around? Oh, you did fast, enough, inquisitive. It make you reach which part today. Don't ever change that about you. But sometimes you have to listen more than you talk.
I understand, Bubbles. I understand. I'm gonna have to take accountability for my actions. Know that I'm on suspension. The community program now come back online for now, so I got the year big and boring. Karim now come home till 10, 11 o'clock.
I think you say Karim come home like 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, if the training, if him do overtime, I come home at 12, 1 o'clock. Just so I go here, Bubbles, I just the year big and boring. I have nothing to do.
12, 1 o'clock? You serious? What Karima do on road them time of night there?
I don't know, but I don't want him left me over football, so I have to support him.